Hello student, my BSc third year student, I will be discussing here organic chemistry, paper number 12, section A, that is organic chemistry. For this organic chemistry, we are discussed for the given syllabus, there is a four part will be given here. One is the heterocyclic compound. Second one is the synthetic drug and dyes, and third one is the alkaloid, pesticide and vitamin. All syllabus will be covered for this semester number 5 like this fashion. Out of this, we are discussing here the first topic, that is a very important topic for the medicinal usage as well as syllabus point here. That name is a heterocyclic compound. In generally, we can say that the heterocyclic compound. What is mean by heterocyclic compound? Hetero means another, different, but these are present in the cyclic compound. Cyclic compound are containing carbon and hydrogen, except this carbon and hydrogen, one or more than one element are the different, or that particular compound is called as a heterocyclic compound. Actually, we are discussing here point wise for the heterocyclic compound. We are given the definition about this one. Cyclic compound that contain at least one atom other than carbon as a heteroatom within their ring are called heterocyclic compound. या ठिकाणी तुम्ही असं बघू शकता की सायक्लिक कंपाऊंड आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये एक किंवा एक पेक्षा जास्त एलिमेंट हा वेगळा आहे. वेगळा म्हणजे त्यामध्ये कार्बन हायड्रोजन, दीज आर द कंपल्सरी पार्ट. कार्बन हायड्रोजन पेक्षा वेगळा एखादा एलिमेंट त्या ठिकाणी प्रेझेंट असतो, त्या सायक्लिक कंपाऊंडला आपण हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड असं म्हणतो. वी आर discussing here in the chemistry language like this fashion. These heteroatom are the oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. All heterocyclic compound, these are the main very important and main point here. The all heterocyclic compound are aromatic in nature. Why these are the aromatic in nature? Because they obey the 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. We are looking here showing the some example about the heterocyclic compound. One is the furan. Furan are the 5-member heterocyclic compound. The heteroatom is the oxygen, and second member is the thiopene. Thiopene is the also 5-member heterocyclic compound. Heteroatom is the sulfur. In the pyrrole, these are also 5-member heterocyclic compound, and heteroatom is the nitrogen. These are the first one. Second one is the 6-membered heterocyclic compound, that is the pyridine. The heteroatom is the nitrogen, and next one is the quinoline. Quinoline, you know about the naphthalene structure. The two benzene will be attached to each other. In a generally, we can say that generally it is called as a naphtha wall. In the naphtha wall, one carbon and hydrogen are replaced by the nitrogen, and there will be satisfied their valency here. That is called as the quinoline. And next one is the indole or benzopyrrole. These are the some example about the heterocyclic compound. The second point will be given for our syllabus here, their classification. Generally, they are classified depending upon their structure. They are classified into 3 types. One is the 5-member heterocyclic compound. Just we can given some example about the 5-member heterocyclic compound, that is the furan, pyrrole and thiopene. Furan containing the oxygen is the heteroatom. Pyrrole containing the nitrogen is the heteroatom. Thiopene containing the sulfur as the heteroatom. These are the first class about the classification of the heterocyclic compound. Another example will be given here. They are the oxazole. Oxazole means in the 5-member heterocyclic compound, zole means oxygen, will be oxa means oxygen and zole means nitrogen. Both element will be present here. One is the oxygen and second one is the nitrogen. These are the heteroatom. And second one is the pyrazole. Pyrazole means both element are the nitrogen, but these are the different. That is the pyrazole. Third one is the thiazole. Thia means sulfur and zole means nitrogen. In that 5-member heterocyclic compound, one element are the sulfur and second one is the nitrogen. These are the some example about the first class about the heterocyclic compound, that is the 5-member heterocyclic compound. Second one, 6-member heterocyclic compound. In the 6-member heterocyclic compound, they containing one heteroatom or two heteroatom. The example is about the one heteroatom, that is a pyridine. We know about the structure of the benzene. In the benzene, CH are replaced by the nitrogen atom, that is called as a pyridine. Second, that is a more than one heteroatom are present. The two nitrogen will be present in the benzene nucleus, replacing by the CH element, that is a pyrazine, and position will be changed here, that is a pyrimidine. These are the example of a 6-member heterocyclic compound. And third class, that is a type number third, condensed or bicyclic compound. Condensed means they will be attached to each other. There will be 3 examples will be given here. We know about the general example about the heterocyclic compound can be say here, that is the quinoline, and position of the nitrogen will be changed, that is the isoquinoline. In the benzene nucleus, pyrrole will be attached, that is the indole or benzopyrrole. These are the simple classification about the heterocyclic compound. थोडक्यात जर सांगायचं म्हणलं तर ह्या ठिकाणी हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंडचं वर्गीकरण, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ क्लासिफिकेशन, 3 प्रकारे करण्यात आलेलं आहे. नंबर 1, 5-member हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड म्हणजे त्याची रिंग 5च असतील. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे एलिमेंट हे प्रेझेंट आहेत. ऑक्सिजन आहे, नायट्रोजन आहे आणि सल्फर आहे. सेकंड टाइप या ठिकाणी 6-member हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड. 6 म्हणजे त्याची सायकल 6 हेक्सागोनल आहे. त्यामध्ये एलिमेंट हे वेगवेगळे प्रेझेंट आहेत. दॅट इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देअर स्ट्रक्चर. And third type, that is a condensed or bicyclic compound. There will be definitely presence of a 2 ring will be present here. That is a bicyclic compound. These are the simple classification about the heterocyclic compound. In the nomenclature, we can say that oxa means oxygen, thia means sulfur, aza means nitrogen, sila means silicon, phosphor means phosphorus. For this BSc degree level, we are discussing here oxa, thia and aza, because oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen, these containing compound will be studied here. The sila and phosphor will be studied at a PG level. For your general information, I will be given some nomenclature about the heterocyclic compound. When we given this structure, their travel name and IUPAC name, keep in your mind. When in the 5-member heterocyclic compound, oxygen is the heteroatom, Travel's name is called as the furan, and IUPAC nomenclature, IUPAC name is oxazole. IUPAC means International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. About this one, the name will be given this oxygen containing heterocyclic compound is azole. Second one is the 5-member heterocyclic compound. There will be presence of a sulfur as the heteroatom. That is the travel name is called as the thiophene and IUPAC name is called as the thiazole. Third one is the heteroatom is the nitrogen. The travel's name is the pyrrole. That is the azole. The IUPAC name is the azole. And fourth one is the 6-member heterocyclic compound. That is a pyridine. Travel name is a pyridine and IUPAC name is a azide. These are the some travel name and IUPAC name about the some heterocyclic compound. In the first part about the heterocyclic compound, we are discussed here 5-member heterocyclic compound, particularly furon, pyrrole and thiophene. आता तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी असं कळालं असेल की फ्युरॉन म्हणजे काय, 5-member हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड आहे. त्या ठिकाणी ऑक्सिजन हा हेटेरोएटम आहे. पायरॉल मध्ये कसं आहे, पायरॉल मध्ये नायट्रोजन हा हेटेरोएटम आहे. बट दीज आर द 5-member हेटेरोसायक्लिक कंपाऊंड. As well as thiophene is also 5-member heterocyclic compound, but these are containing the sulfur as a heteroatom. After that, we are discussing one by one these heteroatom. First one is the furon. Simply, I will be say here, furon are the 5-member heterocyclic compound. The heteroatom is the oxygen. Then after, their method of synthesis will be given here. The first method of synthesis is from mucic acid. The first problem will be created here. We are knowing about the structure of the mucic acid. Simply you keep in your mind 2 COH group and CHOH group 4 times. These are the structure of the mucic acid, and this mucic acid undergoes the dry distillation. Dry distillation means without taking the any water or anyone, they can be distilled here and they will be remove the carbon dioxide and water molecules and formation of a furic acid. And this furic acid are heated its boiling point, they will be remove the carbon dioxide. We are formed here furon as a main product. These are the first method for the furon. We are discussing here second method from succinaldehyde. Aldehyde means CHO group containing compound. This CHO group containing compound, that is the succinaldehyde, are the keto form. They can be converted or showing in the enol form. Enol form means that compound are containing the OH group, and there will be formation of a double bond with the oxygen in the keto form, but the enol form double bond will be formed in the carbon-carbon compound. This enol form of a succinaldehyde undergoes heated with phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. There will be formation of a furon. These are the second method for the furon. We are discussing here 2 method of preparation. From first one is the from mucic acid and second one is the succinaldehyde. The next point is the physical and chemical property. आता या ठिकाणी 2 प्रकारच्या प्रॉपर्टी आपल्याला बघायचे आहेत. पहिली प्रॉपर्टी म्हणजे फिजिकल. आपल्या डोळ्याला जसं काही दिसते, त्याचा डोळ्याला आपल्या नाकाला जसा स्मेल येतो आणि त्याचा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग, लिक्विड असलं तर मेल्टिंग, सॉलिड असलं तर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट आणि लिक्विड असलं तर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट म्हणतो आपण. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये कलर, स्मेल, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट और मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एवढेच पॉइंट येतील. तर या ठिकाणी physical and chemical property can be shown for this furon. Next point is pyrrole. Pyrrole, their method of preparation. Pyrrole is the 5-member heterocyclic compound. These are the 5-member heterocyclic compound. They containing the nitrogen as the heteroatom. There will be synthesis. First one is from acetylene. Do you know about the structure of acetylene? CH triple bond CH. These are the characteristics for the acetylene. They are containing the triple bond. These acetylene, when heated with NH3, that is called as ammonia, up to the red in the red hot tube. आपल्याला काय करायचे, ऍसिटिलीन घेऊन अमोनिया बरोबर त्याची रिएक्शन करायचे. ते कशात घ्यायचे, ट्यूब मध्ये घ्यायचं आणि त्याला लाल होईपर्यंत आपल्याला हीटिंग करायची आहे. कम टू द केमिस्ट्री हियर. ऍसिटिलीन, mixture of acetylene and ammonia are passes through the red hot tube. That is not a color of that tube. They will be heated up to the red. That time there will be formation of a pyrrole like this fashion. These are the first method. Second method from succinamide. Succinamide, there will be also keto form. They will be converted into enol form. This enol form of succinamide undergoes the zinc heated with a zinc, undergoes the distillation. Finally, there will be formation of a pyrrole. These are the method of preparation for the pyrrole. For this one physical property like this furon, we are showing here color, smell and melting point. This point will be covered in the physical and chemical properties. And third point for the heterocyclic compound, that is the thiopene. These are the 5-member heterocyclic compound and these containing the sulfur as a heteroatom. Directly we are discussing here method of preparation. The first method of preparation from acetylene. The two molecules of acetylene and hydrogen sulfide are passes over the alumina Al2O3 at high temperature, that is a 500 degrees temperature. There will be formation of a thiopene. These are the first method. Second method from N-butane. Butane means these compounds are containing the 4 carbon atoms satisfied their valency. This N-butane is passes through a sulfur for half second at 650 degrees centigrade. There is a formation of a thiopene. These are the second method of a thiopene. We are discussing here third method from sodium succinate. Do you know about the structure of a succinate? CH2COOH, CH2COOH. But replacing the one hydrogen by nitrogen sodium in the both group, that is called as the sodium succinate. And the sodium succinate reacted with a phosphorus trisulfide, there is a formation of a thiopene. These are the method of preparation about the thiopene. Next point is the physical and chemical property like this pyrrole and furon. We can show their color, their smell and their melting point. 6-member heterocyclic compound. The first type of classification of about the heterocyclic compound is the 5-member heterocyclic compound. These are the furon, pyrrole and thiopene. Very simple classification will be given here, as well as we are discussing their method of preparation as well as their physical and chemical properties. Okay. The next point is the 6-member heterocyclic compound. In the 6-member heterocyclic compound, the first point will be given here, pyridine. Pyridine is a 6-member heterocyclic compound, nitrogen containing 6-member heterocyclic compound. The first method is from acetylene. You see from acetylene we are prepared here pyrrole as well as thiopine, and third member is the pyridine. This type of question may be asked in the final examination. Before that, we are discussed here 6-member heterocyclic compound. That is a pyridine. First method is from acetylene. The two molecules of acetylene are mixed with a hydrogen cyanide. They will be passed through a red hot tube. There is a formation of a pyridine. These are the very simple method of preparation for the pyridine. Second method from beta picoline. The firstly you keep in your mind the structure of a beta picoline, that is also called as a three. These are the 1 2 3 methyl pyridine is called as a beta picoline. This beta picoline undergoes the oxidation by using potassium dichromate. There is a formation of a nicotinic acid. Means this oxidation will be done in this method. The Ca3 is converted into COH group, that is called as a nicotinic acid. They will be attached to the pyridine here, and they are heated. They remove the carbon dioxide. Finally, there is a formation of a pyridine. These are the second method from beta picoline. Third method from pentamethylene diamide hydrochloride. These are the very simple structure. Penta means 5. 5 methylene ammonium chloride will be attached in the both sides. Diamine hydrochloride बनलेला आहे बघा या ठिकाणी. This structure will be like this fashion, and they are heated and they remove the ammonium chloride and hydrochloric acid. Piperidine are formed. Piperidine is not a heterocyclic, aromatic compound. The double bond will be removed. That is, one is the heated and second one is the reduction. Reduction means we are recover the double bond here by using palladium in carbon at 573 degree Kelvin. There is a formation of a pyridine. These are the very simple method of preparation for. These are the some information and method of preparation for the pyridine. Very simple method of preparation will be given for our BSc third year level. First one is from acetylene, second one is from beta picoline, and third one is from pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride. You keep in your mind. And next one is the physical properties. For this 6-member heterocyclic compound, some physical property will be given for this one heterocyclic compound. The physical property we are generally see here. Physical property means their color, their smell, and their boiling point or melting point. About this one, this will be included in the physical properties about the 6-membered heterocyclic compound. We can see here for the physical property about the pyridine. It is a colorless liquid. These are the not a solid, liquid in form. Liquid having a boiling point 398 degree Kelvin. Unpleasant smell. आपल्या नाकाला घ्याव वाटेल असा स्मेल. Unpleasant smell. It is miscible with water. It is a hygroscopic. Smell is not fine. There is a उग्र स्मेल म्हणतो ना आपण त्या टाइप मध्ये. अनप्लीझंट. प्लीझंट मीन्स घ्यावट. फुलाचा कसा घ्यावटतो आपल्याला स्मेल, परंतु या ठिकाणी पिरिडीनचा स्मेल घ्यावटत नाही. दॅट इज अ अनप्लीझंट स्मेल. हॅव्हिंग they are the liquid. Their boiling point is a 398 degree Kelvin. It is miscible with water. It is a hydroscopic. हायड्रोस्कोपिक म्हणजे काय? हातावर जर पडलं तर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी जखम होऊ शकते. स्मेल तर फॉर्म अनप्लीझंट स्मेल आहे. हायड्रोस्कोपिक. It dissolves many inorganic salt. It is a basic in nature. Why it is a basic in nature? Because they contain the nitrogen, and nitrogen are containing the lone pair of electron. Due to that, these pyridine are the basic in nature. Next point, condensed heterocyclic compound. We can say or discussed heterocyclic compound, their classification. First one is the 5-member heterocyclic compound. Second one is the 6-member heterocyclic compound. Third one is the bicyclic of condensed heterocyclic compound. Here will be discussed only two condensed heterocyclic compound. One is the indole. The another name of indole is the benzopyrrole, and second one is the quinoline. That is also called as a benzopyridine. We are discussing the first bicyclic compound, that is the indole. They can be prepared from the Fischer-Indole synthesis. A very simple synthesis will be given for this indole synthesis. There is a Fischer-Indole. Fischer and indole, these are the scientists. They can be prepared here indole. Again, question will be arises here, why this reaction or this method of preparation are called as a Fischer-Indole synthesis. त्यांनी तयार केलं म्हणून नाव दिलेलं नाही, त्यांनी तर तयार केलेलं आहे. परंतु these indole are the very valuable for the medicinal uses and preparation of a very valuable medicine. Due to that, this indole preparation is called as a Fischer-Indole synthesis. What is the actually Fischer-Indole synthesis? Firstly, we are taking here phenylhydrazine. They will be treated with acetaldehyde. One complex compound will be formed, water molecules are removed here, and there will be formation of acetaldehyde phenylhydrazine. Means C6H5NHNH2 is the structure of the phenylhydrazine. CS3CHO are the structure of the acetaldehyde. From the acetaldehyde, oxygen will be attached to the hydrogen from phenylhydrazine. They can be remove the water molecules and formation of acetaldehyde phenylhydrazine. And these acetaldehyde phenylhydrazine, when heated with a zinc chloride, there is a formation of indole as a main product. This is a Fischer-Indole synthesis. These are the first method. We are discussing here second method, bischlor indole synthesis. BISCHLOR. Indole is the main product. The scientist name is the bischlor indole synthesis. Do you know about the aniline? Aniline is treated with alpha bromo acetic phenyl acetic acid. Aniline, I repeat again this one. Aniline is treated with aniline is treated with condensed product, that is that containing the bromine, phenyl bromamide. This will be condensed with phenyl bromamide. They remove the hydrogen bromide and form the product, that is a 2-phenyl indole in the finally. This is called as a bischlor indole synthesis. Second method is second member is a quinoline. Number one method of preparation for this one, scrap synthesis. Do you know about the scrap synthesis? We are formed here quinoline. Aniline, the mixture of aniline, glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. These are the structure of the glycerol. Mixture of aniline, glycerol and nitrobenzene, sulfuric acid, ferrous sulfate are taken and they are heated for 6 hours, there will be formation of a quinoline. These are the scrap synthesis. Second one is the Friedlander synthesis. In the Friedlander synthesis, we are also prepared the quinoline here. That is a orthoaminobenzoaldehyde when condensed with acetaldehyde CH3CHO in the presence of a base, that is a sodium hydroxide, there is a formation of a quinoline as a main product. These are the total method of preparation in the heterocyclic compound. Firstly, we are discussed about their classification, definition, classification. One by one, we can take place here method of preparation. There is a furon, pyrrole, and thiophene. These are the 5-member heterocyclic compound. In the second part, that is the 6-member heterocyclic compound, preparation of a pyridine can be take place here. And third one is the bicyclic compound, that is a condensed heterocyclic compound. Here is the only method of preparation can be done here in our syllabus. 2-member, one is the indole, there is a 2 method of preparation, and second member is a quinoline, there is also 2 method of preparation can be given for our syllabus.